I have not left the house. One time I stepped out of the gate and sort of onto the sidewalk, and that's it.
I could feel that the whole world was like trying to figure out what is happening. When you go to the street, there is no one, like no one is in the park.
Oh God, the kid coming in going, "What are you doing, Mom? What are you doing, Mama? Mama, Mama?" Oh.
I got really emotional, especially the Black Lives Matter thing happened.
When something like George Floyd happened, I think it was just like the final straw. I felt like for like a couple of days I couldn't work. Like I just couldn't concentrate.
I kept a little silent at first because what could I say without getting my emotions all tangled up in this stuff?
A lot of the work now that I'm doing is constantly adding in people of color as like the protagonist of my stories, quote unquote, just in terms of showing more representation.
I did this Black Lives Matter illustration for Adobe. Fist can be looked at as a weapon, but when you're raising that fist up to show solidarity, it means a lot.
When the scientific papers come in and say that mask is our best defense, that motivated me even more to draw something.
Although there is value in educating, I felt like my talents were better spent helping people reimagine what our reality could look like. I'm drawing these women, just putting them in areas that would make them feel safe and make them feel at home.
Imagine any of the recent movements without any artist expression. We needed to give voices to these movements.
My English is not like perfect, but through art, I can tell my feelings.
To be creative is very cool. I mean, you get to imagine things, you get to be somewhere else, you get to create your own bubble.
It's my salvation, it's my solace, my place of comfort.